everyone, welcome back to my channel Fit for Nails. In today's video I'll be sharing with you a small purchase that I did at Amazon.com. The product that I bought is this 36 colors Anself nail gel art polish pigments. Out of camera I'm going to take each gel art polish out so you guys can see how does each color look. Each gel came protected by this aluminum foil. Now out of camera I'll be opening, applying on the tip and curing the lamp each gel art polish and showing you the result after, so the video won't be long. This is one of the gel art polish that I already opened. I'm going to show you the application so you guys can see the consistency of this gel art polish pigment. This is how it looks after I cure the gel in the lamp. Now out of camera I will continue applying and cure the other gel art polishes pigments so the video won't be long and showing you the results after that. Now I'll be showing you the other gel art polish pigments after I apply them on the tip and cure them in the lamp. This is all for today. Thanks so much for being here with me in another video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and comment down below what do you think about these gel art polish pigments and which one of the 36 colors was your favorite one. I will see you in my next video. Bye!